Livia, I'm sorry about you and Gad.
I learned a great deal from him that can help Kryta. Tell me, have you ever heard of the Scepter of Ore?
Just stop yelling and look at my calculations.
I don't need to look at your calculations. I know it will work.
Well, the rest of us don't share your confidence.
What's the problem now?
This hack is telling me I don't know how to format a crystal array.
I'm trying to say that you run a greater risk putting the crystals in a serial pattern than in parallel.
You'll get twice the power this way.
It's too much power too fast. You'd flood the enchantment buffers.
Don't lecture me. I was formatting crystals before you were born.
Both of you, quiet! If you want to achieve anything, you have to stop squabbling.
Beck, Gad, the destroyers!
Now what?
The destroyers! They're coming up from below, hordes of them! We're almost done with the golems, but we're not ready yet.
We can go hold them off.
Should I come with you?
Go. You're just underfoot here.
Remember, parallel, not serial.
Yes, so noted. How do they expect me to get any work done with all these interruptions?
La mission ici va se faire en deux parties. Une partie défense et la seconde partie sera en attaque. On a deux côtés à défendre. On a juste à protéger les fours jusqu'à ce que la barre soit au maximum. Donc en vrai c'est du dodo, il n'y a pas vraiment de danger. Je sais pas si je vais être à portée, mais on verra bien. Ce côté-là est le côté qui va le moins galérer. Faut dire que ce côté, j'ai pas de soigneur à proprement parler, j'ai un protecteur. Ça soigne quand même. Mais c'est pas... Mais de toute façon c'est pas grave, parce qu'il n'y a pas de gros dégâts. c'est juste faire dodo ici. Ça peut paraître long, mais honnêtement, c'est la mission Azura la plus rapide.
Most curious.
Si on veut, on peut parler à Sokka pour obtenir le fanal. Ça nous fait un petit golem en plus pour l'équipe. Je crois que les guerriers destructeurs enlèvent les pauses de combat, ce qui est vraiment embêtant parce que mon...
Most curious.
disons que ma compétence pour attaquer plus vite, c'est une pause de combat, donc ça me pose problème. Surtout que le derviche est la classe qui a l'attaque automatique la plus lente. Enfin, même le déclenchement des compétences est lent. C'est pour ça qu'on joue toujours avec un truc pour pouvoir booster la vitesse d'attaque. La phase d'attaque est vraiment très rapide ici. J'ai juste tué les disques et après c'est terminé. Je trouve que c'est sympa là. Je crois que c'est un nid destructeur, je sais pas trop.
That's a good day's fight.
It would have been harder without the golems.
Gad and Ula got everything working just in the nick of time. Ula, I was just telling Vek about your golems.
Vek, I have bad news. It's Gad.
What's he upset about now?
He was trying to boost the power of the last golem.
What are you saying?
There was an explosion. He didn't make it. I'm sorry.
I don't understand. They hated each other. They argued all the time.
Fathers and sons argue sometimes. That doesn't mean they don't care.
My father believed in the eternal alchemy. We are all part of a larger equation. And so, we commend Gad's remains to that greater equation. His ashes return to the universe, but his knowledge remains with us.
Vek, we are all sorry.
He died the way he lived, focused on his goal, and consequences be damned. I tried to warn him.
I know. I understand the need to protect the ones you love. Always remember, he gave us a great victory.
I don't know how many such victories I can stand.
Apparently, they have a leader.
And a nasty one at that.
It is as I feared. The end is truly coming.
What?
The creature that leads them is the Great Destroyer. The Tome of Rubicon said that the Great Dwarf and the Great Destroyer would meet in one last battle. And after that, the dwarves will be no more.
You don't stand alone. We'll defeat these creatures.
You don't understand. Win or lose, the time of the dwarves is over. The only question is it the end of the rest of you as well?